In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is better, Microsoft or Google for productivity. We'll walk through a clear process so you can choose with confidence. Start by defining what productivity means for you. Think about the kind of work you do most. Do you need strong document editing for long reports and precise formatting? Are email and calendar tools the center of your day? Do you work mostly online or do you often need reliable offline access? And how important is real-time team collaboration? Jot down your top 3 must-haves. These will guide every choice you make next. Next, map your needs to the tools each platform offers. Microsoft 365 pairs Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, and OneNote. Google Workspace pairs Docs, Sheets, Slides, Gmail, Google Drive, Meet and Chat, and Keep. Make a short list of the apps you actually use weekly and the features you rely on. Matching must-haves to concrete tools prevents you from getting swayed by extras you'll never touch. Now compare key features. For ease of use, Google tends to feel simpler and fast to pick up, which is great for light to medium tasks and shared documents. Microsoft offers deeper power, but with a steeper learning curve, ideal for advanced formatting, data analysis, and specialized workflows. For offline work, Microsoft's desktop apps shine because they're built to run without internet. Google can work offline through Chrome's offline mode, but it's not as robust for heavy, frequent offline use. For advanced functionality, Microsoft leads with things like Excel macros and complex document layout, while Google excels at real-time collaboration and straightforward, distraction-free editing. Consider collaboration needs. If your team frequently co-edits the same file at the same time and values live cursors and instant comments, Google often feels smoother. If your work involves complex files, detailed permissions, or enterprise features, Microsoft may be the safer bet. Weigh cost and compatibility. Microsoft typically costs more, but includes full desktop apps. Google is often more budget-friendly and cloud-first. Also think about what your company, clients, or partners already use. Aligning with their ecosystem reduces friction. Before deciding, run practical tests. Create a long report, build a complex spreadsheet, schedule a few meetings, and share files for review. Rate your experience for speed, ease, and comfort. Your hands-on results matter more than marketing pages. Finally, make your decision with a simple scorecard. Rate each platform from 1 to 10 on ease of use, collaboration, offline capability, cost, and advanced tools. Then total the scores. The higher total points to your best fit. If it's close, go back to your top 3 must-haves and let those be the tiebreaker.